Okay guys, welcome to my video how to get traffic. I will show you the top 5 traffic source that you can use to get traffic to your landing page, to your affiliate links, to your CPA offers, and to your everything. Okay, you can promote anything with this traffic source. So I will start with a free traffic, and I think you should learn this traffic and how to get this traffic to your links. Okay, so I will start with YouTube. YouTube is the best website that you can get traffic, unlimited traffic to your affiliate links, to your clickbank, to your CPA offers, and to your landing page or blog. And it's free. Okay, if you can learn this method, it's free traffic, and I think you have to learn this traffic source. Okay, you can see here real time, every day, every single day I am getting unlimited traffic to my links. Can you see here last 48 hours I get over 8,000 views to my video, and many visitors and traffic to my links from these videos. Okay, if you want to learn this strategy, you can go to this website. This guy will teach you exactly how to do this, how to get unlimited traffic to your website for free. Okay, traffic source number 2 is Twitter ads. You can advertise on Twitter and get traffic to your links. It's very easy to get traffic from Twitter. Traffic number 3 is Turbo website traffic. You can get unlimited traffic from this website. All you have to do is go to advertising and choose your package. It's very cheap traffic, and you can get unlimited traffic from this website. Traffic number 4 is Advertiser. It's a PPC traffic. You can make your campaign and get target traffic and unlimited traffic from this website to your links. Traffic source number 5 is trafficcashlist.com. You can choose. You have some packages here. You can go to unlimited website traffic, and you can choose one of this traffic, very cheap traffic, and you can get unlimited website traffic. You can see here unlimited website traffic for 15 days. Very cheap traffic, guys. You can go to bulk traffic and get 200,000 visitors to your links, only $39 for this campaign. Okay, so if you want to succeed, if you want to make money online, if you want to get traffic, you should know how to get traffic, how to buy traffic. Like, without traffic there's no sales and no money. Okay, I am very sad to say that, but if you don't have traffic, there is no commission and no money. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Thank you very much.